It is clear that the sponsor is very large. They have detailed insights, technical specifications, and innovative approaches. The people of Domain have a shape that I have seen. It was the first brand that designed these mothers here. Other brands started to create these mothers due to the discussion of the end and the uniqueness they want to have. They incorporated aluminum cormas, which was an old technology. The frame is aluminum. It's a plate that prevents the pivot from playing around. Now, let's go see the moment of the DT Swiss. This pivot is also from the new kids. You can see that all the systems have moved onto this system and work in this way. The Corma's mining has an exceptionally high level of efficiency and remarkable power. This one is really different. It truly stands out indeed. After the transition, the mechanics are very precious. This is the giant from the Taiwan War. You can see it is very professional, very complete, and you can see the container that is fully integrated and has no noise.
Rock shots.
It would make a small difference. Thank you. Working hard. Working hard.
How's it going?
Very.
Yeah.
You're so
Yeah. I know. You like an entrance? No, it's good because it's real stuff. It's not shit. How's the track?
But you're good.
That was good. Sounds like the changes were quite positive.
So fast up there, eh?
A little bit fast.
Too bit?
Hey, hello. How are you? I wanted to know what's this can. Actually, the balance?
Mass damper.
Mass damper, okay. Would you be able to explain to me how it's work?
Yeah, but
Also, Pablo?
I don't know if it's hanging up because I'm too afraid to pump super hard in the operator. I don't want to break a rim, which could be the problem.
In the how is in the first part, like in the first beats?
It feels pretty good there. Feels pretty good there. Yeah. Like that lap was my best part. Okay. Yeah. Exactly.
I think I started with
the NeoShock in some ways is the same as the old system, but in other ways it's a completely new shock, and it's all wireless, so it's all contained in a single unit.
I heard that is faster than an old one. Yeah, is that true?
Slightly faster, yeah.
And is that used with the Bluetooth or a different system?
It does not use Bluetooth, it uses Neo.
Okay.
It's our own
And
protocol.
how is that damper working?
The damper is very similar to Flodex VHX.
Is that fast enough to change that between the firm and soft and medium?
It switches between firm and soft
Yes.
incredibly quickly. Yeah, you don't even notice it.
Okay, and how is it just on the phone app or?
Yes.
Okay, and everything is possible to change that, the climb or just about the angles or?
Yes. All of those.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And what about the dropper? Would you be able to explain a little bit about the dropper?
It's very similar to the Post. It's the same wireless protocol, and it also uses the same type of valve. So,
You really care about that the flight attendant. And the new version of the Fox came after that flight attendant.
yep.
I know that the flight attendant sometimes has a little bugs or delay or something
Okay.
gap between the changing the position of that mood.
Okay.
Is that Fox has any same thing of that or no? That's a different.
No, there's no. You pretty much can't tell when it's cycling modes.
Ransom, scale, bold.
Kennington, puis... Non, OK.
Ouais, ça va être top. Ils veulent les voir comme tremplin.
Ah ouais?
Ouais, ça a l'air comme en mode.
Oh,
Lui, la promo, c'est pas vrai. Ouais, merci. Le mot est après, le mot il est...
Le 9, dans le 9.